please. So please, when you have a time, read that from the video and also do this thing. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, right. Okay, so we'll start with the wines of France. Now, as we know France, okay, anybody can say what the France is famous for? किस चीज के लिए फ्रांस दुनिया में famous है?
Wines,
And
So wines,
and
grapes,
bread,
Perfume.
food,
grapes,
food, okay, grapes and
Perfume.
yes, French perfume. Absolutely right. French perfume is the one of the most world expensive perfume. Right. Okay. And anything else? Some famous personality from France?
champion,
Hmm? Mr. Rafael Nadal. Okay. Another famous personality that comes from France. France famous for Napoleon. So all these things. Okay. So take a look at this location of the France. The France is located on the banks of your Atlantic Ocean, and there is an English channel. You can take a look, and this is your UK. एंड अगर आपको सही से दिखाई दे यहाँ पे that is it is a place where you have got hill mountains and also it is a sea. So actually क्या हो रहा है कि फ्रांस में पूरा आपका एक मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर फॉलो हो रहा है. You have got the winter of Alps mountain and at the same time you have got the seaside weather. That is why France produced the world's greatest quality of white wine. Basically, they are known for the white. Italy known for the red. Italy known for the red, and the French known for the white. ठीक है? तो अगर हम देखें तो फ्रांस में these are your wine regions of France. So it starts with the pronunciation. There are lots of wine region in France, but we will only pick up this 8, which are the best of all. And just hold on. Hello. Who is it? I am in a class right now. Call me after 5:30. So now you can take a look. The first one that comes on our screen is Bordeaux, Burgundy, Loire, Rhone, and Alsace. So these are the wine regions which are known as the best of all. So Bordeaux, Burgundy, Loire, Rhone, and Alsace. ये सारे lecture record हो रहा है. Please, these names are all French name. You go to the YouTube and listen properly. Bordeaux, Burgundy, Rhone, Loire, and Alsace. Okay. First of all, we'll take a look at the wine laws. What are the French wine laws? People, this is the most important thing and the very, very important aspect of your, the French wine or any kind of wine. So there are some wine laws which have been initiated by the French government, not you and me. The French government have done this one. So this laws has to be followed. Otherwise, your wine will not be considered as a wine. Just take an example. In India, there are lots of agricultural law. Like we all know that that agricultural law which is about to come in India, MSP, maximum price per product, chalo jo bhi hai. So there are in France also there are lots of laws out there. Okay, because फ्रांस में क्या है कि वाइन्स एंड दी परफ्यूम जो अभी हमने सुना द मेन थिंग. सबसे पहले हमारे पास ये लॉ आता है. देखिए पीपल प्लीज आप वेरी केयरफुली इसको सुनिएगा. When they qualite product dan d'origine déterminée or VQPRD. When they qualite product dan d'origine déterminée. When they qualite products dan d'origine déterminée or we can call it VQPRD. VQPRD is the wine law, name of the wine law. एग्जाम में ये आएगा कि व्हाट इज VQPRD का फुल फॉर्म. 5 फुल फॉर्म के ऑप्शन आएंगे, उसमें आपको पिकअप करना होगा. ओके. Now under this there are 2 classification. The first one is known as, the most important one is appellation origin control. देखिए I have tried to put it in Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. सब कुछ यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज मैंने किया है so that you can pronounce it in a proper way. So appellation the origin control. Appellation the origin control, AOC. This is the French wine law. Okay. Under this law, you have to follow the area of production, the variety of grapes, viticulture method. Viticulture means that how you produce the grape. Then what should be the maximum yield you need to follow, and what should be the minimum alcohol content of your wine. What should be the vinification method? I mean, like, how do you age, how do you blend, how do you process the wine? All these things to follow. Let's take an example. The way in West Bengal also produce the rice, the Punjab also produce the rice. The way West Bengal produce the rice might be not the same way Punjab produce the rice. So every region has their own laws and regulation. That is what is being maintained here. So area of production, grape varieties, viticulture method, maximum yield, minimum alcohol. How much you can produce? You cannot produce like a 10 kilo of alcohol, I mean, like grapes and all everything. Okay? There has to be a limitation for everything. Okay? Next come the win de quality superior. Win delimite quality superior. ये देखिए मैंने वापस इसको हिंदी में और बंगाली में भी लिखने की कोशिश किया है. So please try to understand so that you can pronounce it in a proper way. Win delimite the quality superior. ये देखिए सारे pronunciation you got in all three languages. The reason behind this, why this is here, because win the quality is for the superior, the top quality wines. The AOC control the entire grape viticulture and vinification, but VDQS is the one which control only some great and superior quality wine. Number one is the grape variety. Number two is the area of production and method of vinification. The problem is what you need to remember. Inside that is very easy. The problem is outside, you know, the appellation, the origin control, okay, the vinde quality superior. These are the name which you need to keep in mind. In the examination, you will be asked this question: what is VDQS? All this thing. Okay. After this, there is something called vinde table, or it is for the secondary quality wine, or you can say the local wine, inferior quality actually. So under the vinde table, there is something called vinde pays. Vinde pays or VDP. Vin मतलब होता है wine. Vinde pays means it's a local country wine. मतलब समझ लो कि the wines which are sold in the local market of France. मतलब गांव में, शहर में जो बिक रहा है. Those, that is the main thing. And the last one is Vinde Consummation Curante or VCC. Vinde Consummation Curante. Vinde Consummation Curante. These are the wines for the daily consumption, sold in bottle, carafe or pitcher. मतलब ये वो wines है जो bottle में नहीं बिकता है, but you can find it in a ठेला. फ्रांस में जैसे कि समझ लो, if you go to right now in डीडी नगर महाराजा कॉम्प्लेक्स में अगर आप जाओगे, वहां पे अभी जूस बिक रहा होगा, ग्रेप का जूस, मुसाम्बिक का जूस. So that's the way they also sell the wine in a carafe or pitcher. बड़े बड़े jugs के अंदर it has to be served. It's known as a Vinde Consummation Curante or VCC. ठीक है, right? Okay. So ये है आपके French wine law that starts with your Vinde Qualité Produits d'Adon Region Determiné, Appellation Origin the Contrôle, then Vin Delimité the Qualité Superior. These are for the top quality wine. The grading is high. The next thing that comes is that Vinde Table, the second quality of wine. Vinde pays the local country wines, and Vinde Consummation Curante. Examination में आ सकता है VCC का full form क्या है. Okay. People, I feel you are feeling tough, but can't help it. This is how it is. Okay. I have learned this thing, pronunciation and all, after a daily practice. There are some French wine labeling term. That you need to remember. One is blanc. Blanc means white. Cave is underground cellar. Commune is a village. Chateau or domain, मतलब estate or vineyards. Cols, COLS, cols means walled vineyards. Court is hillside. Cremo is sparkling, cru and growth. So please, people, when you have a time, remember and read this thing. You know, these are all French words. इसका English translation आपको पढ़ना है. That's what you need to learn. These are your French wine labeling terminology. Now we go to the inside the each and every wine region. The first thing that we have is known as Bordeaux. And people will say Bordeaux, but it is not a Bordeaux. It's known as a Bordeaux. It is said that the world's greatest quality of red wine comes from this region. So you can take a look. ये अगर आप फ्रांस का मैप देखते हो यहाँ पे, फ्रांस के मैप में कॉर्नर में ये बोर्डो नाम का रीजन है और यहाँ पे अटलांटिक ओशन है एंड देयर इज अ गिरोंदे रिवर दैट इज कमिंग इन, इट्स अ फ्रेंच रिवर. इस रिवर के दो साइड में द ग्रेट क्वालिटीज ऑफ वाइन्स आर फाउंड. सो ये रहा आपका गिरोंदे. ओके, गिरोंदे के वन हैंड में ये देखिए मार्गोक, जूलियन. बेसिकली वाइन की जो नाम होती है वो उसके स्टेट के ऊपर होता है. ओके, the climate is very moderate at this part of the world where you can have a it's an average summer temperature of ये यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है the average summer temperature is 20 to 20 degrees Celsius and 4 to 7 degrees Celsius here. Okay, अब यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज समझना है. Please people understand this thing very carefully. How do you name a wine? अभी थोड़ी देर बाद आपके सामने आएगा Chateau Margaux, Chateau Saint Julien. Now what is actually it is? It is actually, अगर आप यहाँ पे इस रिवर को देख रहे हो, इसके दो पार्ट है. दिस इज वन साइड एंड दिस इज वन साइड. इस साइड में जितने सारे गांव है, सेंट एस्टेफे इज अ विलेज, पोलियक इज अ विलेज, मोलिस इज अ विलेज. सेम वे यहाँ पे देखो, सेंट एमिलियन इज अ विलेज. सो ऑल दिस विलेज Saturn, यहाँ पे देखिए Graves, there is a place called Graves, there is a place called Barsac. So all the wines are named after the village or the location it's come from. Okay, the greatest quality of French Bordeaux wine that comes from this region are known as a claret. Claret, C-L-A-R-E-T, claret. Okay, अब आएंगे अपन नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, which is known as अब अगर एक सीधा सी एग्जाम्पल हम देख लेते हैं. तो अगर बोर्डो, अगर ग्वालियर का मतलब होता है बोर्डो, इफ ग्वालियर इक्वल्स टू बोर्डो, तो कम्यून क्या क्या होगा? महाराजपुरा. तो महाराजपुरा जो है वो ग्वालियर का एक पार्ट है. सो ग्वालियर इज अ रीजन एंड इनसाइड द रीजन देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड महाराजपुरा, एंड अंडर द महाराजपुरा देयर इज समथिंग एल्स. Didi Nagar. Didi Nagar is a place inside the Maharajpura. There is also a BSF colony is there. These are all known as a chateau. ठीक है, तो वापस समझने की कोशिश करो. बोर्डो अगर एमपी है, मतलब बोर्डो अगर ग्वालियर है, तो ग्वालियर को हमने छोटे छोटे पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. देयर इज अ फुलबाग, देयर इज अ सिटी सेंटर, देयर इज अ बारे, देयर इज अ और क्या है, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड गोले का मंदिर एंड ऑल, पिंटो पार्क. Same way, there is something called Maharajpura. So Maharajpura is known as a commune, and inside the commune there are all the subdivision. One of the subdivision is known as Didi Nagar, and those are known as a chateau. So chateau is a wine producing area जहाँ पे wine produce हो रहा है. So those are all known as a chateau. ठीक है? And finally we come to the name of the wine. अगर कोई wine अगर Didi Nagar से आ रहा है, then we will call it Chateau Didi Nagar. Grape name Cabernet Sauvignon or Pinot Noir, something like this. ठीक है? Okay, now comes the most interesting part, which is what are the grape varieties come from the area. So red grape varieties of this region are, देखिए कौन कौन से red grape और कौन कौन से white grape यहाँ से आता है. The first one is coming is Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Malbec and Petit Verdot. All these thing are known as a red grape variety. So basically अगर कहा जाए कि Malbec कहाँ से है, Malbec is a grape that comes from the Bordeaux region of France. Then you got the next one, which is known as a white grape variety, that is your Semillon, Sauvignon Blanc and Muscadel. तो ये जो grapes है, these are the grapes that come from the Bordeaux region. बेसिकली इन सब ग्रेप के जो पैदाइश हुआ है वो यहीं पे हुआ है. अब देखो सूला सेवेन्यू ब्लॉन्क, नासिक वैली में भी वी आर गेटिंग अ सेवेन्यू ब्लॉन्क ग्रेप. तो कैसे पॉसिबल है? पॉसिबल इसलिए है बिकॉज द वाइन मर्चेंट्स or the wine manufacturers of the Sula Valley, they went to the France and they brought this saplings of your Sauvignon Blanc, and which has been prepared or which has been placed in the Nasik Valley, and then it has been served. Okay. Your Bordeaux region is also classified under several parts, and the first one is Medoc. Medoc is classified into hot Medoc and Basse Medoc. Under the Medoc, अब Medoc एक जगह है, उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे गांव है जहां पे great qualities of wine comes. The first one is Pauillac. Okay, people, once again, these names are looking very problematic for you, but you have to learn all this thing. Okay. So first thing is coming is Pauillac. Now Pauillac is a place that produces the great quality of red wine. Here we have got Chateau Lafite. Okay, Chateau Lafite is a famous quality of red wine. Then you got Chateau Martin Rothschild. Okay, Chateau Martin Rothschild is the another one red grape. Chateau Latour. So there is a village called Latour. जैसे हमारा महाराष्ट्र में लाटूर बोल के एक जगह है. We all know this thing. Chateau Latour, but it's the same way the Chateau Martin Rothschild. Okay. Then you got Saint Estèphe, that's the fruity and full-bodied red wine which come from this part of the world. Chateau Calon-Segor, okay, and Chateau Montrose. Okay, all these things are the small villages from where the great quality of red wine comes. Okay. Then you have Saint Julien. Saint Julien is another wine region that makes the beautiful quality of red wine that comes with Saint Grod La Roche. Okay, so once again, La Roche is a type of wine that comes from the Saint Julien. Chateau Lagrange and Chateau Margaux. Once again, देखो Margaux एक छोटा सा गांव है वहां से. Basically आपको यहाँ से याद रखना है. कोई अगर इंटरव्यू में आपसे पूछ लिया कि tell me 5 wine names that come from the like Bordeaux region, you should be able to tell. Chateau Lafite, Chateau Latour, Chateau Calon-Segor, Chateau Saint Julien. All these names you should be able to tell them. Chateau Margaux and all. Okay, right? Then there is something called Grabs region. So basically there are two parts. One is a Medoc, which is known as a Bordeaux, and the next part that comes is a Grabs. Now Grabs is once again a small village. It is known for the best quality of dry white wine and also the elegant quality of red wine. Under this, there is something called Chateau Buscat, Chateau Carbonieux, Chateau Olivier, and red wines are Chateau Haut-Brion, Chateau Haut-Belly, Chateau Smith Haut-Lafite, and then under Saint-Emilion, there is another village called Saint-Emilion, under which there is a rich quality of red wine, also known for the Burgundy and Bordeaux. Okay, it's also known as a Burgundy of Bordeaux, and here you have got, it is a high influence of your Merlot region, and there is a place like Chateau Ocean, Chateau Cheval Blanc, Chateau Canon, Chateau Bel Air. Once again, these are all names जो आपको खराब लगने के बावजूद भी आपको याद रखना है. Chateau Carbonieux is a wine comes from which part of the Bordeaux. That's how you need to remember. Now come to the Pomerol, another sub-region at Bordeaux, under which there are red quality wine, but the star wine of this region is known as Chateau de Petrus. Take a look at this. It's the one. Star of the region is Chateau de Petrus. Now, why it is so star quality? Because this is known as a red wine quality, and that's very great. Okay. And finally, there is something called Sauternes, is a land of desert wine. Desert wine मतलब होता है कि sweet wine. We have all learned. These are all Botrytis cinerea or Nobel rot affected wine. Okay. Now, people, how can you make a desert wine? कैसे हम एक wine को sweet बना सकते हैं? Anybody can say? How can you make a wine very sweet? Anybody in the room say?
Increase the yeast.
नहीं, how do you make a desert wine? एक wine को हम sweet wine में कैसे convert कर सकते हैं? यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना सर. यू डोंट लिसन टू एनी लेक्चर एंड देन यू डोंट लिसन टू द यूट्यूब लेक्चर. चलो ठीक है, सुन लो. यू कैन मेक अ डेजर्ट वाइन बाय अ नोबेल रॉट affected, which is known as a Botrytis cinerea, or else you can make a desert wine with the help of the over-ripened grapes. अगर आपकी ग्रेप ज्यादा पक जाएगा, then it will be also converted into a desert wine. Okay. If your grapes have a fungus which is known as a Botrytis cinerea, then it will also turn into a great quality of desert wine. Oh, okay, so the desert wine, अगर late harvested grape, अगर आप grapes को खेत से जब harvest कर रहे हो, if you use it late, मतलब अगर late basis में अगर आप pick up कर रहे हो, then it will be known as a if you are picking it late, अगर आप late उसको लेके आ रहे हो, तो then it will turn into a desert color. The color will, sorry, the taste will change into a desert. Okay, I mean like it will turn into very sweet, and those sweet are known as a desert wine, or you can also call it Botrytis cinerea. So sweet wines are known as a desert wine. That's all you need to remember. Okay, right? तो सतर्न इज अ प्लेस. तो अभी तक जो हम पढ़ रहे थे, ऑल दिस थिंग आर ऑन बोर्डो. बोर्डो के पार्ट्स जो है वो है मेडोक, देयर इज अ ग्राव. नाउ अंडर द मेडोक यू हैव गॉट पोलियाक, यू हैव गॉट सेंट जुलियन, यू हैव गॉट मार्गॉक्स. ओके, and here you have got Graves. Under the Graves you have got all this wine regions, and finally you have got Saint-Emilion, then Pomerol. Okay, and then there is something called Sauterne. So all these are small villages at the French wine region, or the under the Bordeaux, where you will find all this thing. Now we come to our next estate. Like हम लोग अभी MP में थे, ग्वालियर में थे, हम ग्वालियर से बाहर निकल के भी इंदौर में जा रहे हैं. Okay, so now we are going towards the next wine region of France, which is known as a Burgundy. Burgundy is known as the red capital of France. I mean, like it's a great quality of red wine comes because the Pinot Noir, the king of all grape and the queen of all grape, like Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, these are the two grapes that come from this part of the world. Actually, they are originated from here. ये इन लोगों का घर है. Chardonnay and Pinot Noir are the home of Burgundy. Burgundy is the home of Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. Always remember this thing. Chardonnay is a home of, like Burgundy is a home of Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, the greatest of grapes. Okay. The Burgundy is once again classified into several other parts. One is the Chablis. Then take a look, Chablis, or you can call it Chablis. मैंने देखो यहाँ पे हिंदी, बंगाली सब में लिखने की कोशिश किया. Please try to understand. Then there is something called Côte de Beaune. There is another wine region, Côte de Beaune. Côte and Chateau. People, मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा था. What do you mean by Côte? C-O-T-E, Côte. Côte का मतलब क्या होता है? Anybody say? सब सो गए. नहीं तो भूल गए.
सर एक्चुअली हेलो.
यस प्लीज.
सर इतने सारे नाम है ना कि इसमें मिसमैच हो जा रहा है.
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज द बिग प्रॉब्लम विद दिस थिंग. ठीक है, इसको बार बार इंटरनेट में जाके सुनना. ओके, यूट्यूब में अपलोड होने के बाद इसको सुनना, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. That is why I always say that the wine chapter should not be completed in the one semester. There has to be one single semester for wine only. Okay. So, okay. चलो जो भी है, I'll repeat again. देखो, Chateau and Côte. Chateau and Côte. Okay. अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपको फ्रेंच, ये देखिए आंसर यहाँ पे है. ये देखो, इस एरिया में है. ये देखो, दिस इज द वन. ब्लॉक कावे, यहाँ पे था कोट. कोट का मतलब होता है हिल साइड, और शातो का मतलब होता है एस्टेट. तो बोर्डो बर्गंडी वाइन रीजन में क्या हो रहा है, ये जो बर्गंडी के हमारे जितने सारे वाइन रीजन है, दीज आर ऑल ऑन द हिल साइड, मतलब पहाड़ के बाजू में है, इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं कोट. जैसे कि पहले क्या था, बोर्डो में हम लोग देख रहे थे शातो. Chateau this thing, Chateau this thing, Chateau this thing. Now we will have a court. Now court is something which is there is a hillside. जब कोई पहाड़ का एक साइड होगा जहां पे अपना जो vineyards होगा, those are known as a court. That is what you need to remember. Okay. So Côte de Beaune का मतलब है, Beaune बोल के एक छोटा सा बेउन बोल के एक छोटा सा गांव होगा. ये देखो, ये बेउन आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, एक छोटा सा गांव होगा. उस गांव में जो पहाड़ के ऊपर एक छोटा सा गांव है, उस पे मिलता है आपको कोट दे ब्योने. ठीक है. Then there is something called Côte de Chalonnes, Côte de Mâconnais, and the last one is the best one. Bujolius. Okay. So Côte de Chalonnes, Côte de Mâconnais, and there's something called Côte de Bujolius. There's also something called Côte de Nuits. So Côte de Nuits is basically, it's a mixture of Côte de Nuits and Côte de Beaune mixed together called Côte d'Or. तो दो रीजन को एक साथ मिक्स करके कोट d'Or. तो बेसिकली अगर देखा जाए तो बर्गंडी में देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड शाबली, कोट दे बियॉन, कोट दे शालोनेस, कोट दे मैकोनेस एंड बिजोलियस. ये जितने सारे प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैं बोल रहा हूं इसको वापस जाके यूट्यूब में सुनिएगा, देन ओनली ये दिमाग में बैठेगा, नहीं तो नहीं बैठने वाला है किसी भी हालत पे. ओके, but whatever it is, just remember one thing, that the grape variety that come from this region are, this is very important, red wine में आपका red grape में आपका है Pinot Noir and Gamay, and white में you have got Chardonnay and Aligot. Okay, तो बर्गंडी में अगर हम देखें, it is known as a paradise of food and wine. देखो आपका जो famous mustard है, there is a famous mustard from France which is known as a Dijon mustard that come from this part of the world, which is known as a Burgundy. So जो बोर्डो के वाइन्स है, बोर्डो वाइन्स आर नोन एज अ claret. Bordeaux wines are known as a claret, but the Burgundy wines are known as Bourgogne, B-O-U-R-G-O-G-N-E, Bourgogne and claret. So remember this thing. All the red wine in this part of the world are very, very full-bodied in nature, and there is also a river. यहाँ पे एक नदी है, उस नदी का नाम है सियोने, and सियोने नदी के दोनों साइड में you have got all the wines are coming. Okay, take a look at this. ये आपका जो नदी यहाँ से जा रहा है और इसके दोनों साइड में इसके वाइन के छोटे-छोटे विलेज है. ओके, राइट. अभी एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे पॉज करते हैं. मुझे पता है सबका दिमाग खराब हो गया होगा, तो जस्ट स्टॉप इट हियर एंड देन we'll take a look at a small video. ये जो अभी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, you might not able to remember this thing, तो हम एक छोटा सा वीडियो देखेंगे, then we will understand that what is exactly it is, मतलब है क्या ये वाइन. ठीक है.